As you can probably aware, microwaves are very dangerous equipment.
As you can probably aware.
So, if when placed a Mars bar, technically and theoretically, it should not intrude. So, when the Mars bar is placed, the twist-proof plate, it should work. Let's take Mars bar now.
It's quite a resilient Mars bar. Oh, there we go, it takes a bath. The actual stuff in the nougat inside is like just displacing the chocolate. Oh, that looks delicious. Weird.
Christ almighty! The Mars bar is actually which is now exploded. Right, we're gonna stop now. It now looks like pizza.
That's well and truly destroyed.
Whoopsie.
I think we're going to say that that's quite a destructive force.
So, when a Mars bar is placed in a microwave, you get a pizza.